This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Now comes the final step of publishing our ad, that is payment info. So please firstly do all this information and fill all this information with utmost care. So billing country, you can choose your country. Here for example I have chosen an Guadeloupe and I can choose my country as I am in India. So India. You can choose your country if you are residing in the US. Time zone, choose with utmost care. Introductory offer. What is this? It is a promotional code. So you can type any promotional code if you have any and then click on apply. But code is not valid as I am just writing number in random. You can also click on this product, send me in performance tips, promotion offer, surveys and invitations to try new features. Just go on customer info. You should choose your account type. The setting is permanent and may be used for text and identity verification. That is why I am saying do this with utmost care and review it one time. Business individual. You can choose your account type. As my account type is business. Then text information status, text status business. You can add permanent account number. As in India we have PAN numbers as a government, so you can add your permanent account number whatever you have, and TAN number and GST identification number. This is India's verification purpose. Name and address, business name I can add as my business name is Lokesh Matching Center. Name, my name is Divyansh Agarwal. Address line 1, you can add Sodala. Address line 2, Jaipur. No, it will come in city. We should not add Jaipur. Address line 2 is SSSB Nagar. You have to write your own address here. City Jaipur. Postal code, whatever you have, postal code, and then choose state. Primary contact details, how you pay, automatic payments or manual payments. I prefer manual payments only. Specify your payment amount is $100. Payment method, card details, you can use Visa, MasterCard, JCB. And then after adding your MasterCard details, you have to add in months, year, CVV code and card holder name, or it is a credit or debit card address is same as above. You have to add all this information. After that you can proceed ahead and click on I agree to Google Ads terms and conditions. Please read all the terms and conditions before agreeing it, as it contains a huge amount of agreements. The personal information you provide here will be added to your payments profile. It will be stored securely and treated in accordance with Google privacy policies, so need not to worry. Then click on submit. You can also review one time, then move ahead.